Let's learn how to share a Telegram group link. So if you're a part of some Telegram group and you want to share that group with your friends or family members so that they can also join that specific group, then watch this video until the very end because it's pretty simple. The process is the same for both iPhone and Android devices, and first make sure that your Telegram application is updated. So open your App Store if you are an iOS user or your Google Play Store if you are on Android, and then you want to make sure that you have the latest version of Telegram installed. If you do, simply open Telegram and then go over to the group you want to share the link of. Once you get to the group, you will want to tap on the name of the group at the very top of the screen, and that's gonna open this page with a bunch of options. You can leave the group, mute it, see the media shared in the group and all that other stuff. But we need the link, and you should see the share link section right here. Just tap on that link and copy it, and there's your Telegram group link. Now when you send this link to someone on Instagram, Facebook, or wherever, they can click on the link and it will open the Telegram application with that specific group. And if the group is public, they can easily join it and enjoy. So if you want more Telegram tutorials and more helpful content, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.